I'm Nikki, your host, and I'm super excited to share my passions with you. Grab a cup of your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of Nikki's lifestyle.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Today is Saturday and today is our production day. We have did a black soap. I didn't video to post. I have done that before, that's why I didn't go that way. So we want to do our sugar scrub. Before you use any organic products, try to scrub your body, modify your skin. So remove the dead cell so that the product you are using will be able to work. So try to scrub your body once in a week. That is what I normally advise people. So here is our sugar. I'm doing it for my three of my customers. We have our sugar here. We have a 3 cup of sugar here. Then I'm adding jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is known for its brightening properties. I'm adding 3 spoons of jojoba oil. The next thing I'm adding, let's do this extra. The next thing I will add is my honey. I will add my honey. I will also add 3 spoons of honey. To mix also. The next thing I will add is my turmeric powder. As I said, it's a brightening scrub. So I will add my turmeric powder. To this one. Add my cinnamon. Cinnamon also have this moisturized skincare products. Almost I like putting cinnamon in almost all my apart from cream and soap. I like putting cinnamon in almost all of my organic skincare I'm making. So the next thing I will add is my orange peel. I prefer orange peel than my lemon peel. Some people is reacting to lemon, so I prefer orange than lemon. Then the next thing I will put, is my water rose. I normally like my scrub to be a kind of milky. I don't like it to be water rose. I'm using detection. Put your tea tree oil. So our brightening sugar scrub is ready. This one is going to Enugu and 2 is going to Port Harcourt. And if you use this scrub, just use it for 2 weeks. Come back and give me testimony. The scrub is ready. See how skinny it is. It's together. Because of that rose water I put. So rose water is very costly. For me, I prefer using good costly materials to get what my clients need. Scrub is ready. We'll go ahead and package it. You see our scrub, how it is. So funny. I'll leave it for 5 minutes before I wash it off. You see the difference between here and here. You see the difference between here and here. Are you seeing the difference? See the difference between here and here. Don't mind here. Here is where I normally put away my watch. So we advise always scrub your body. Thank you.